Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Corsair Elgato Teleprompter. So friend, Corsair unveils teleprompter name prompter under the Elgato brand and targeting streamers and creators. And this device features the 9-inch LCD display that boasts a resolution of 1024 into 600 pixels and a distinctive elements of this product is its beam splitter glass which ensure the clear visibility of manuscript and live chat feeds, and for enhanced functionality, the design allows the attachment of web cameras or digital cameras to the rear of the unit, and this positioning enables users to view and vocalize manuscript and chat feeds seamlessly, ensuring a genuine engagement perspective and operational control of the prompter such as content display, text color adjustment and scrolling speed is achieved through the camera hub utility software. An added benefit is its capability to function as a secondary display, facilitating drag and drop action for applications, files, and web browsers. And compatibility with Elgato Steam Deck, a re-owned program key is also integrated. And friend, on the technical front, the device interface is via USB Type-C connection and the pricing is little unclear but seems to sit at 250 to 300 USD dollars. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.